room. What are you? Off the floor. Gives us a lot of extra space if we hang everything on the wall. Let's get 100 million hooks.
Nice. Cool.
Jacket.
Thank you. It looks great. Yes, it's the middle of winter, but we have beautiful sun out today, and we are taking advantage and charging the Energizer. So we are pulling 117 watts off that panel. Says it'll be 2 hours before the battery is full. That is free charging. This morning we've made a pot of coffee. We use the lights at night, so we're able to use the battery, but it's not like powering a refrigerator or anything. And I mean, it charges with 117 watts, so it can take a long time if you let the battery get too low. Off-grid living. Using the cool air to keep your cream cool. So my job is to get everything put in the middle so that he can finish laying the baseboards. So that's what I'm going to work on right now. Now that I have everything cleared in the center, Joe is gathering the pieces of trim, and we're gonna get the baseboards done. Two more pieces.
So. Clean windows.
These little tiny touches just really finish it out nicely. It makes it feel like it's more complete. And then now it actually made it easier because he didn't have to cut a bunch of 45s. He could just cut 90-degree angles, which made it super easy for him to just chin chin. Now we'll be able to just get the baseboards done. Super exciting. Ah, I love progress. Have I mentioned that my thing is checking things off to-do lists?
77 and 16th, perfect.
Nice. Yay, it looks beautiful.
All right, so this one's already tacked down, which is fine, so I can do a butt joint instead of a lap joint. And I'll just measure it. Larry Haas.
I just love getting these things done. It's really making a huge difference. And if you look over there, it just looks so much more finished. And once we get the baseboards tacked in, we can start with the kitchen. We're gonna start laying out where we wanna put things. We bought a sink, which I'm super excited about because the one thing that we are really lacking is like cabinet space, kitchen space, places to put things, like Joe said. We need more flat spots. So that's what we're after. And we came prepared to start getting everything laid out for where we want the kitchen. Oh, this is so exciting. Yeah, it looks nice. Good job.
That's good.
Excellent work.
Yeah, this needs to be cut flat and measured.
It looks very finished with the pine in between the baseboards, and
I think so.
yeah, I like it. Got it good going in there. Got a little space for wood, and we've already seen some things we need to change. I need like a little tray to catch all the wood pieces. I need a little basket for like kindling, and we need logs stacked in that. I went through the whole thing last night. But it's kept it nice in here. Not too hot, not too cold. It was nice. Thanks for watching, and until next time, we're praying blessings on you. We'll see you soon.